In this video, we show you how to use the graphical user interface with the EasyTouch of Intego. Switch the treatment center on using the power switch at the foot of the treatment center. The operating system boots up. To shut it down, switch the power switch off. The treatment center is operated via the graphical user interface and the fixed key panel. The EasyTouch user interface can be configured for up to 4 different users, A to D. The selected user is visualized on the left side. The operator can be changed via the user interface. Your Start program displays the function keys for the patient chair programs and the manual chair adjustment keys. Use the S button to move to the mouth rinsing position. Use the 0 button to move to the entry-exit position. With chair programs 1 and 2, you can save treatment positions. For example, an upper jaw and a lower jaw position. The manual chair adjustment keys allow you to move the treatment center to the optimal height by holding the up or down button. The backrest tilt button moves the seat and backrest without any compression or stretching effects for the patient. Manual adjustments can be saved on any desired chair program by pressing and holding the respective button. Your Intego is equipped with safety stops to keep yourself and the patient safe. Based on a visualization of your EasyTouch display, you can recognize an activation of a safety switch. For example, bring the cuspidor bowl back to its position to be able to operate your treatment center again. Press and hold the timer to go to the subscreen. Here you can set the duration and the sound of the timer. The Civision button allows you to enter Civision dialogues for patient communication. The subscreen button gives you access to additional subordinate functions. When the instrument is removed, you can make the following changes. The preset value on the quick setting keys can be selected by touching them briefly. You can set intermediate values by pressing and holding the plus button for more than 1 second to increase intensity. Pressing and holding the minus button for more than 1 second reduces the intensity. Each quick setting key can be preset individually. Pressing and holding the middle Set Quick Setting key activates the programming mode and the values flash on the touch panel. By briefly pressing the desired Quick Setting key, the value will be saved. Counterclockwise rotation can be switched on here. The button is highlighted orange when activated. To select the intensity using the quick setting keys, remove the Cirrosonic from the holder. Touch one of the quick setting keys in the bottom line briefly. The quick setting key is highlighted orange. The selected intensity percentage is displayed on the left side. Setting intermediate intensities and reprogramming the quick setting keys is analog to micromotors. The Cirrosonic ultrasonic scaler can also be set to an endodontic mode for activation of irrigation solutions in the root canal. The intensity can be set from 1E to 5E. A removed air-driven turbine is indicated by a symbol on the left side. The speed of your air-driven instrument depends on your equipped turbine handpiece. The subscreen button gives you access to additional subordinate functions, such as the option to switch between spray or air coolant. Furthermore, the instrument's light can be either activated or deactivated. The fixed keys are used to select additional functions, such as tumbler filler, cuspidor flushing, or operation of the dental operating light. You activate the functions by briefly pressing the button. Press and hold the tumbler filling button to go to the subscreen. You can link the rinsing of the tumbler to the rinsing position, and you can set filling quantity. Press and hold the cuspidor flushing button to go to the subscreen. You can link the activation of rinsing to the rinsing position and set the time of cuspidor flushing. By pressing the submenu button on the Start screen, you get the option to enter the setup. Press and hold the Setup button. Within the chair settings, you get the option to select the number of users on your Intego treatment center. Here you can also select button sound on/off, or change the brightness of your EasyTouch user interface. Further settings are explained in your user instruction. By leaving the setup, your current settings will be saved.